Hi, and welcome back to Blackline Financial. Do you want to know a way that you can earn real cash online with no catch? On this channel, we show you real ways to earn money online, and we break everything down in easy-to-follow steps. Today, we are going to take a look at a website which you can start earning money from right away. But first, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any updates or uploads teaching you how to make money online. Okay, let's head over to QME.com. Here on this website, you can earn real cash rewards for sharing your opinion, not just points like other websites, real cash. So let's have a look through the website. They have surveys, cashbacks, and deals. Surveys are from businesses who want to know your opinion, and they are willing to pay you for it. Earn cashback on great products and enjoy your wallet being a little bigger at the end of each month. Find deals on the biggest brands around, or just let them show you ones you like. They are a very high-regarded company with a great rating on Trustpilot, as you can see here. All you need to do to get started is a verified PayPal account and a computer with an internet connection. They also have a gaming section in which you can play games to win cash prizes. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? Playing games from your own home and earning a little extra money along the way. There's a lot of potential for earnings here on QME.com. So fill out the information on the homepage to sign up for QME. Choose a password and click sign up. Then they'll take you through some questions so that they can match you to surveys. Answer all of these questions and agree to the terms of service. All done. Now you can browse through all the offers and surveys at the top and start earning some extra income for easy work. Want to know more ways to make money online and maximize your online profits? Then subscribe to this channel and leave a like so you get regular updates on ways to make money online. Until next time, aim high.